Beijing has confirmed the number of people who have died from a new type of respiratory virus in China has now passed 40. Almost 1,300 people now infected with the coronavirus, and the authorities have put more cities under quarantine. That's affected about 56 million people in total. Outside China, 3 cases have been confirmed in France. That's the first time the virus has been identified in Europe. Simon Jones has the latest.
For some, the holiday celebrations have begun. But in Wuhan, the epicentre of the outbreak of coronavirus, it looks more like a ghost town. Home to around 11 million people, while the streets are empty, the hospitals aren't, overwhelmed with potential cases. The symptoms include coughs, fever and breathing problems. The city is now rapidly building a new hospital, which will have 1,000 beds. It could be ready within days, a sign of the concern about the virus. Some tourists flying out of China to the US were relieved.
We were cool at first, but then when everything started shutting down, we thought we should leave.
I've been in and out of China a few times, and this is one of the rare times that I felt like it was time for me to leave.
In France, though, confirmation that the virus has spread.
Donc nous avons aujourd'hui les premiers cas.
We have today the first European cases. It's possible that we have them because we developed the test very quickly and we're capable of identifying them.
Tests in the UK have so far proved negative.
We think that there's a fair chance we may get some cases over time. Of course, this depends on whether this continues for a long time or whether this turns out to be something which is brought under control relatively quickly by the considerable efforts of the Chinese government.
Those efforts involve travel restrictions in an increasing number of cities, and medics from the military are being sent in to try to contain the outbreak. But the World Health Organization has not classed the virus as an international emergency, partly because of the low numbers of overseas cases. Simon Jones, BBC News.